Morning, everybody. Today's date is August the 18th, 2025, Election Commission meeting. I am going to call this meeting to order, 11 a.m. Letitia, would you please do roll call?
Luann Doherty.
Here.
Ernie Demon.
Here.
Phil Martin. He contacted us, said he was absent. Michael Larson.
Here.
Letitia Willett here.
Is there a motion to approve the absence of Phil?
I'll motion.
Is there a second?
I'll second.
Motion by Luann, second by Ernie. All those in favor?
Aye.
Any
Aye.
opposed? Motion passes. Philip is excused. I'd like to take this moment to consider agenda. If there's no opposition to the agenda, we will accept as is. All that in favor?
Aye.
Any opposed? Agenda has been adopted. I would like to have everybody stand for invocation. Gache Migwich, Gajemnado, Kina, Gegu, Gi, Mijiyang, Minwa, Nagoding, Gi, Gijigat, Gizis, Gi, Benabid. Gachi Migwich, Gi, Mijiyang, Manda, Saba, Madzawin, Minwa, Nasawin. Widukwishanong, J Namiyang, Gweg, J Masiyang. Gache Migwich, Namesho Masanonik, Naguka Masanonik. Kena Wabanong, Jawanong, Ipingishmuk, Minwa, Giwedinong, Nakea, Eayik. Asema, Naga, Begadanana, Enzo Gijigak. Migwich. Aho. Says, thank you, Creator, for everything that you have given us. Once again, for another day, the rising of the sun. Thank you for giving us this life and breath. Help us to pray so that we can walk a good path. Thank you to our grandfathers and our grandmothers, to those in the east, the south, the north, and the western directions. We put down our tobacco every day. Miigwech. Okay. We're going to start off with accepting the minutes from 7/23/2025.
I have to apologize, I did not print those out. I forgot that one.
Okay, so we cannot accept the minutes?
No, we can.
We can?
Because I emailed them.
You are correct.
Got him here.
You are correct.
Sorry, I just didn't print them out. I was so concerned about everything else.
That is fine.
I can print them out real quick if anybody wants them.
Those that received them and have read them, is there any objections to the minutes? And is there a motion to accept the minutes from 7/23/25?
I'll motion.
Motion by Luann, is there a second?
I'll second.
Ernie seconds. All those in favor to accept the minutes?
Aye.
Any opposed?
Aye.
Motions are approved for minutes. We are going to move along to reaffirm our email and phone votes. We did perform an email vote in regards to the last Board of Directors meeting that had some changes to the proposed resolutions at that time. I would like to state at this time that there was a yes vote from Philip, a yes vote from Luann, a yes vote from Letitia, and a yes vote from Ernest. That gave us 4 yes, so that vote passed by majority. I'd like to motion, if there's a motion to accept that email vote.
I'll make the motion to accept the vote.
Go ahead, Josh.
Doing a motion, would you like me to explain to any membership that's listening what the changes were?
Yes, we'll have Josh explain the reason for that email poll.
So at the, I think it was August 5th? August 5th
Yep.
workshop, the Election Commission presented their priority changes to Chapter 10 to the Board of Directors. And based off that conversation with the board, some changes were made to that draft of Chapter 10, and we needed a poll vote to be able to get it on the agenda for the board to approve those changes at their meeting tomorrow night. And the changes to Chapter 10 from the original priority changes from the Election Commission is changing the number of commissioners from 9 to 7, removing the word originally to keep it chosen by the Elder Advisory Committee. Then it's modifying the language to be adaptive to the number of openings available. If the number of letters of intent submitted is less than or equal to the number of openings available on the Election Commission, everyone who submitted a letter of intent will automatically be sent to the Board of Directors for appointment without a recommendation from the Elder Advisory Committee. Removed the language concerning removing the Elder Advisory Committee after the original appointment. The board would like the commission to come back with some alternative options for future appointments. It changed the staggered terms to be 4 members serving 5-year terms and 3 members serving 3-year terms. This is an adjustment from the 7 to 9 commissioners. Then it changed the language for the role of the attorney for the commission being able to request an opinion on a complaint to shall provide a legal opinion to the Election Commission on whether the allegations in the complaint constitute a violation of this code.
No, that one's off.
Yes, thank you, Josh.
So it's green when it's ready.
Yeah, I can't hear, I don't know
Thank
if
you.
Ernie could hear him.
Hello.
Ernie, can you hear Josh?
Yes, I can.
Okay. I'm going to put forth the motion to accept the votes from the poll regarding the changes requested by the Board of Directors. Is there a motion?
I'll make the motion.
Motion by Ernie. Is there a second?
I'll second.
Second, Letitia. All that in favor?
Aye.
Any
Aye.
opposed? Motion passes. Thank you. We are going to move to agenda number 6, review community input of code revisions.
This should be quick. We had none.
That was very quick. We had none. Moving forward, we're going to move to number 7, proposed Chapter 10 revisions review.
So I would like to table this one more meeting till we get whatever we're doing tomorrow passed, implement it, and then go from there. Because we've done our priority changes, because we knew we were not going to get this change before the next election. So we can take our time after that.
Wait, repeat?
So I suggest we table this again till the next meeting, and also after we make we get our priority changes, then we can start again, not start again, but go back, review all our notes with the additions of this information on it, and then, because we're not going to get done by 2026, so. So
Okay.
we're looking at having plenty of time to do it, so.
Okay. So, motion presented by Letitia to table until next month's meeting. Therefore, we can have the approval of current changes approved by the board, because it will coincide with this Chapter 10 revisions review. So, motion on the floor. Is there a second?
I'll second.
Second, Luann. All those in favor?
Aye.
Aye.
Any opposed? Motion approved to table until next month's meeting. For now, everybody, thank you for watching. We are going to go into closed session. Once we are done, we will be back. Thank you.
Oh, it's a legal update, okay.
in favor?
Aye.
Any opposed?
Aye.
We're back in open. All right, hello, everybody. We're back in open session. And we need to,
we need to make a motion to designate the chairperson as signature for the clear ballot contract under the resolution on the board agenda of 8/19/2025.
okay,
I'll
motion
make
on.
that motion.
Second.
Second.
Okay.
That's fine. We can do it that way.
Motion made by Ernie to designate chairperson of the election commission as the signer of the clear ballot contract, which is on resolution for the board of director meeting on 8/19/2025, correct?
Correct. I have a quick question for Josh. Should I do up a memo from the election commission if this passes for you to bring to the board of directors tomorrow?
Yes, that would be helpful, and it would also give the backing if this resolution is approved, so accounting knows who was authorized to sign the
Perfect.
contract by the commission.
Okay.
Okay. Motion was made. Is there a second?
Louis, second.
Luann, second. We're going to roll call vote. Letitia, please roll call.
Ernie Demon,
Aye.
Luann Doherty,
Aye.
Letitia Willett, aye.
We have 3 yeses. That's majority. Motion passes. I seek motion to adjourn
At 11:26.
at 11:26.
I make that motion?
Motion by Letitia. Is there a second to adjourn?
Second.
Second by Ernie. All those in favor?
Yes.
Aye.
Any opposed?
Aye.
Meeting adjourned 11:26. Motion passes.
Wow.
Thank you, everybody.
Wow.
Have a wonderful day.
This is the earliest
That is a
we've ever
quick-
got out.
We should have had Lou do